Hello students, welcome to the 23rd session of Principles of Business Management. In today's session, you will be learning about the decision making and the importance of decision making. Before going to the decision making concept, let's discuss what we had discussed about the previous sessions. In the last session, we discussed about the process of planning and the detailed stages which is involved in the planning process. Now let's discuss about the meaning of decision making. So as you all know, decision making is one of the important steps that the manager has to take. This decision making has a great importance for success of the organization in contemporary management system. And managers have to take critical decisions at every stage. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನಿಂಗನ್ನು ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸನ್ನು ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋವಂಥದ್ದಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಎಲ್ಲದರ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲದನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ತಪ್ಪಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರಾಸೆಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ಏನೇ ಎಫರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನಿಂಗಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದರೂ ಕೂಡ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಆಫ್ ನೋ ಯೂಸ್. ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರಿವೇಟ್ಸ್ ಥ್ರೂ all managerial functions such as planning, organizing, staffing, directing and controlling. In all the stages of the management there is decision making. Now let's discuss about the definition of decision making. According to Collins, the definition of decision making is that the act of making up one's mind by collecting, sharing, gathering significant ideas from different sources. So for example, if I have to take a decision about doing something, I should think of the background ideas, I should think of the history, I should think of all the significant documents which is related to particular idea, and then I have to make up my mind. Okay, so that process is known as decision making here. According to Baker, decision making should start with the identification of the decision making and shareholder in the decision, reducing the possible disagreement about the problem definition, requirements and goals and also criterias. Okay, so there is no confusion, there should be no confusion and there should be minimum disagreement in the decision making. In such cases it can be said as a efficient decision making. The next concept is the importance of decision making, that is why the decision making is important in the business. Decision making plays a vital role in the management. As I said, in every management function there is decision making. Decision making is perhaps the most important component of the manager's activities. That is, whatever we do, it might be planning, it might be organizing, controlling and all those things, everything depends upon the decision that the manager takes. It plays the most important role in the planning process, and the quality of managerial decision largely affects the effectiveness of the plans made by them. So whatever plan we make, that is also important, but if the decision making is wrong or the decision taken by the manager is not proper, at that time the efforts of all the plans and other managerial functions will be of no use. So let's discuss few of the importance one by one. The first one, that is better utilization of resources. Decision making helps to utilize the available resources in a best possible way. So for example, we all know that there are 4 M's in the marketing, and along with that there are 2 M's which is added to these, that is men, money, materials, machines, and 2 more, that is methods and markets. So all these things have to be properly utilized, and to make these resources to be utilized properly, this decision making will help the business. So the next point, that is facing the problem and challenges. To face the problem, to face the challenges, the manager has to take a right decision, and this decision making helps the organization to face and tackle the problems. Quick and proper decision help the businessman to solve the problems and also accept the new challenges. That is, in every step of the management, the manager has to take the decision immediately. In some decisions you might get some time, or the manager may not get time in few of the decisions. So he has to think the right time, and he has to take the decision at a right time at right place. The next thing, decision making is very important in the business growth. Quick and correct decision, it will help the business to uh, grow properly. That is, it might be contracts, it might be tenders, and all those formalities which is required in the business, right? So for all those business, there is a need of quick decision making capability. And if the manager has that ability to take the decision immediately, then that will improve the business. So the next one, that is achieving objective. So decision making is the final step to achieve that objective. The rational decisions help the organization to achieve all the objectives quickly and properly. The next point, that is increases efficiency. Decision making increases efficiency. The rational decisions help the management to increase the efficiency. That is, it is the relationship between returns and cost. If the returns are high and the cost is low, then there is efficiency, and vice versa. As we all know, if the returns are high and the cost is low, then there will be efficiency. And to make up this formation, the decision making is very important. And to facilitate the innovation, this decision making will be very helpful in case of management, because this helps to develop new ideas, new products, new processes, new project. All these things are possible only through decision making. And the next possible importance, that is motivates employees. Decision making motivates the employees to work. This is because the employees are motivated to implement the rational decision. When the rational decisions are implemented by the organization, it makes high profits. And this rational decisions, you are seeing this word repeatedly in the importance. Rational decisions means it is subject to the uh, proper documents, it is subject to the background decisions, and it should be right in nature. So such decision will help the employees to get motivated and also to facilitate innovation. So the next one, that is indispensable element or component. It is a inseparable and indispensable element of the business. So without decision making, or without taking up the decision at a right time, nothing can be done. As we all know, for every work there should be a decision making. So the next point, that is selecting the best alternative. To select the best alternative, the selecting itself is a process of decision making, right? So choosing something refers to taking up the decision. So decision making is very important in case of choosing the alternatives for product or some project or some marketing ideas. For everything we need the decision making. So these are all the importance of the decision making. Now let's summarize the decision making and the importance of decision making. So basically, decision making can be defined as the process of selecting a right and effective course of action from two or more alternatives. There are different ideas, and choosing one idea itself is the decision making. And all matters relating to planning, organizing, directing, controlling are settled by the manager to through decisions. And without decision making, all these managerial functions are of no use. The entire managerial process is based on the decisions, and therefore it is very important for the business. So this is all about the decision making and the importance of decision making. Thank you.